So I wanted to come on here real quick to show you how I use the app called Ibotta. It's like a cashback app that you can use when you buy things in store, especially groceries. I bought a couple things that you can redeem things. Like I bought this lava yogurt. They give you cash back. It's like extra savings. And you just load the stuff with the picture of your receipt. Then you scan it into the app, or you just take a picture of the receipt. It goes into the app, and then it kind of like finds the offers, or you pick the offers. I'm going to show you the screenshot that I did, the screen video, so you can go and do and figure it out, find it, and understand a little better. And you get the money back in different forms. I already posted that, how you can get it back. It's the app, I've been using it for years, off and on, more lately off than on, but lately more on than off in the last couple of weeks. But it's expanded a lot in the last couple of years. Like they give cash back for like online purchases, almost like how Ebates, now Rakuten, used to do. But I've got lots of money back. Not lots of money. Okay, so now that I posted that, on top of that, of them, you earning money through the items that you get in the cashback that way. You also, like I said, they have bonuses, like if you buy more than one of a certain amount of products. Also, like on the weekend, like they have like a bonus if you redeem a couple offers on the weekend, you get like extra $2. Or if you, all sorts of things. If you get other people that on your like team, kind of, because just like people that go through your referral link, they get something and you get something, if once they redeem their first offer. But I've been using it for years. Like, I know people always kind of like, who wants to do all of that? But shit, why not? You know what I mean? If you're already buying stuff, you just come home, take a picture of your receipt, a couple clicks, and then you get money back. So if you're interested, you can swipe up here through my referral link, and I think you get something and I get something. I don't know, but I think it's just cool to know about it. I'm about to go and upload the rest of my stuff now that I finished grocery shopping. I am going to post this on my IGTV because I think it's something that other people should know about and expire in 24 hours. So look for it there soon.